We need to prove that triangle RQP is congruent to triangle SQP, and that is the given. We have segment RQ is congruent to segment, put a markings na agad. Segment RQ is congruent to segment SQ. The second given is what? Segment QP. Ito yun, anak. Segment QP bisect angle RQS. So, meaning, sino ang binisect ni QP? Si angle RQS. Nahati po si angle RQS sa ilan? At ano po yung dalawang angle na yon? Angle RQP and SQP. Okay, lalagyan natin ng markings yan. Then, after natin malagyan ng markings, proceed na tayo sa statement and reason. What do you think is the first statement? Marcelino. And what is the reason, anak? Okay, very good. Ipoprove pa ba natin sa statement number 1? No na. So, since congruent na yan, identify the part. Side. Next, what do you think is the second statement? Prado. Okay, very good. Segment QP bisect angle RQS. And Cuevas, what is the reason? Given pa rin. Diba? Bakit anak given? Ayan binigay pa rin siya. So, therefore, ang reason ay given. Tatandaan, hanggat nakikita yung isinusulat dito, ang reason lang dyan given. Walang ibang reason. Next, statement number 3 na tayo. Do we need to prove statement number 2? Why? Kasi po, gumamit tayo ng term na ano? Okay, ano ang binisect? Meaning, anong papasok doon? Angle bisector. Let us analyze. Segment QP bisect angle RQS. Meaning, angle RQS is divided into 2. O state the two congruent angle. To prove, para ma-prove natin, state mo anak, ano yung naging congruent? Ano yung dalawang angle na naging congruent? Prado, angle RQP is congruent to what angle? Iyan yung statement number 3. Angle RQP is congruent to angle SQP. Ano ulit anak yung word na ginamit? Bisect. Ano ang binisect? Therefore, what do you think is the reason? Lagrimas. Definition of angle bisector. Question. Okay, next statement number 4. By the way, what part is this? Side or angle? Angle. Okay, next statement number 4. Meron pa bang given? Observe the illustration na. Two triangles are congruent because they have a common part. Now, what part? Side or angle? Side. Name the two congruent side. Buriel. Is congruent to what? Very good. Segment QP is congruent to itself. Congruent to itself. What property? Reflexive property. What part is this? Side or angle? Side. Meron ditong S. Meaning, meron na tayong napalabas na postulate. What we're going to do now? State na natin, ano na yung triangle? Yung name ng two triangle. Oransa.
Triangle at QP is congruent to triangle.
What is your reason, anak? Okay, or the SAS postulate. So, any question? Okay.